This whole scenario looks very fine, that United States want to build the economy, United States want to build the rule of law in the developing countries, United States wants a democracy in these countries. Well, in reality, all these slogans prove to be shallow. What happened to this democratic effort of United States in the last 20 years in Afghanistan? The whole structure, the governance structure, the political structure collapsed in 20 days. The whole fall of Kabul thing is quite a lesson for the world. And then there is an article by Francis Fukuyama, who said that why does America creates failed democracies? Why does America creates failed states? They want to create a conflict, and such conflicts provide them the opportunities for the profits, nothing else. So all this democracy, human rights, they just leave to be the only slogans. It doesn't go beyond that. That is a sad reality. This addiction of United States with waging war in other countries has created many problems for their internal affairs, in terms of their society, in terms of their economy. But internally, society of United States has a kind of fragmented now. And its classic example is the movement, the Black Lives Movement. The people are asking for their rights. So in the biggest economy of the world, the superpower of the world, the basic human rights are denied to the black people. And then there is, due to this war on terror, there is xenophobia in that society. We also see that. So their society is fragmented.